How to upload widescreen video on TikTok for full screen mode. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application CapCut. It will land you on this home page. Tap on New Project. It will open up your gallery. From here, select one of the video that you want to upload in the widescreen. Let me select this one. Once you have selected, now what you want to do is, at the bottom, tons of different menus will be available to you. Swipe left and the option of aspect ratio will be visible to you. Click on it. From here, you have to select the ratio of 16:9. Once you have selected, now you have to zoom in the video and adjust it to the ratio that you have selected. Once the adjustment is done, tap on Export at the top right corner of the screen. Well, the video has been saved into your gallery. Now go back and head over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, click on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And then tap on Upload. Select the video that you have just saved. And then tap on Next at the bottom right corner. All you want to do is post this video on your feed. Once this video has been uploaded, right below the video, the option of full screen mode will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can upload widescreen video on TikTok for full screen mode. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.